If you are looking for an AI-powered search engine designed specifically for research, you have probably come across Tavily AI. But is it actually worth using in 2026? In this video, I'll cover its features, pricing, pros, cons, and whether it's the right tool for you. What is Tavily AI? Tavily AI is an AI search and research platform built to provide accurate, up-to-date information from the web. Unlike traditional search engines that give you a list of links, Tavily generates direct answers and includes sources, making it especially useful for researchers, students, developers, and content creators. Key features. One of Tavily's biggest strengths is its real-time web search capability. It gathers information from multiple sources and summarizes the results in seconds. Other notable features include AI-generated research summaries, source citations for fact-checking, fast web search results, API access for developers, support for AI agents and automation workflows. These features make it a popular choice for businesses and developers building AI-powered applications. Pricing. Tavily offers a free plan that allows users to test the platform. For heavier usage, paid plans provide more search credits, API access, and advanced features. Pricing may vary over time, so it's best to check the official website for the latest details. Pros. Fast and accurate research results includes source citations, real-time web access, great API for developers, easy-to-use interface. Cons. Advanced features require a paid plan. Search quality depends on available web sources, not a replacement for deep academic databases. Who should use Tavily AI? Tavily AI is ideal for researchers, students, journalists, content creators, and developers who need quick access to reliable information. It's particularly useful when you need summarized answers with sources instead of manually searching through dozens of websites. Final verdict. So is Tavily AI the best AI search engine for research? For many users, it's definitely one of the strongest options available. Its combination of real-time search, AI-powered summaries, and source citations makes research faster and more efficient. While it may not replace specialized academic tools, it's an excellent solution for everyday research and information gathering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.